Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't import contacts. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I set up my phone yesterday, but my contacts and text messages didn't import from my old phone. If I can't import them, I'll have to enter them one by one, which is a bit of a waste of time. My Android phone is working fine, it's just that the contacts haven't imported. I want to know how to fix contacts not syncing on my Android phone. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you find that your contacts won't transfer to your new Android phone, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Unable to export contacts. The solution is to export to the SIM card. When your Android phone won't add contacts, don't panic. You can now learn how to fix Android phone not importing contacts. The traditional method is to store contact information on the SIM card. This way, your stored contacts will naturally be retained on the new device. To store contact information on the SIM card, you need to do the following. On your Android phone, select the Contacts option, then tap the More icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and then select the Manage Contacts option. On the new interface, you will be able to see Import, Export, and Sync options. You just need to select Export and follow the prompts. Cause 2. Unable to use SIM storage. The solution is to transfer via Google Cloud. In addition to storing contact information on the SIM card, you can also use Google Cloud to transfer information. This is a cloud backup service provided by Google. As long as you have set up Google Cloud, you don't have to worry about contacts not syncing on your Android phone. It requires you to log in to a Google account and set up contact synchronization. Usually, contacts may already be synchronized, so you only need to log in to the same Google account on other devices. Cause 3. Contact information is not associated with other accounts. The solution is to seek help from your phone's manufacturer. If you are unable to implement either of the above two solutions, we recommend that you take your phone to the phone manufacturer's after-sales service center and describe your needs to their staff to see if they can help you fix an Android phone that won't import contacts. Before importing contacts, please be sure to ask if there are any fees involved and whether you accept these fees. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If this helps you fix the issue of contacts not transferring to your new Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.